Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export or download OneNote notebooks. While OneNote doesn't have a traditional export button, there's a simple workaround that lets you save your notebooks as PDF files, making them easy to share, archive, or access offline. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Microsoft OneNote app on your computer. Once it launches, navigate to and load the specific notebook you want to export. Make sure everything has fully loaded before moving forward, as this ensures all your content will be included in the export. Now, here's where it gets interesting. OneNote doesn't offer a direct download or export function like some other apps, but there's a clever way around this. We're going to use the print function to save your notebook as a PDF file. This method works perfectly because it captures all your notes, formatting, and content in a single portable document. To get started with the actual export process, click on the File tab located at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to all the important tools and settings in OneNote. Once the File menu opens, you'll see several options listed on the left side. Look for the Print option and click on it. This will expand to show you more choices, and from there select Print again to open the full Print dialog window. Here's where the magic happens. In the print window that appears, you'll see a section labeled Printer or a General tab depending on your Windows version. Look carefully through the printer options until you find one called Microsoft Print to PDF. Click on this option to select it. What this does is redirect the print job to create a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. It's essentially converting your entire notebook into a PDF format, which you can then save anywhere on your computer. Once you've selected Microsoft Print to PDF, go ahead and click the Print button at the bottom of the window. Don't worry, nothing will actually print on paper. Instead, a File Explorer window will pop up asking you to choose where you'd like to save your newly created PDF file. Navigate to your preferred location, maybe your Documents folder or desktop. Give your file a meaningful name so you can find it easily later, and hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully exported your OneNote notebook as a PDF file. This file now contains all your notes in a format that's easy to share, backup, or view on any device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.